talk for a short while. Part of being an alpaca farmer here in empty Spain is that I need to clear land in order to grow the herd. And today I'm in Petra's pasture, one that was mainly an oak forest about, over a year ago. And it's now okay to cut trees because for the most part, not all of them, their growing season is done and now the leaves fall, and so I prefer to cut trees like this one. So this is a pasture the boys can have access to. There's not loads of grass because of the leaves from all these trees, and it has an infestation of what are they called? Asphodels and ferns or bracken. But it has water. Fall is really, or autumn I prefer to say, is great. And then I cut down trees and then they're too big because I have to carry them up the mountain. So today I'm cutting bite-sized pieces of trees as well as cutting down some new oaks. Good. And the boys were here, but they've now moved on. Okay, that's it. This is part of being an alpaca farmer, at least here. Reclaim pastures from wild nature. Adios.